Bend, flex and funnel them for chopping and pouring. Ideal for transferring chopped-up ingredients into waiting pots and pans. Won't retain odors or dull knives and protects your countertops. Made of high-density polyethylene. Made in the USA. Item shape, rectangular. Measures: 24 by 18/60 of a centimeter by 45.5 centimeters. Lightweight, flexible and easy to use on any flat surface. Made of high-density polyethylene. Bend, flex and funnel them for chopping and pouring. They protect countertops, won't retain odors or dull knives. Made at USA. Dishwasher safe. Top reviews from the United States. It's a cutting board, it's a craft mat. It's also a fantastic litter box shield. This definitely isn't your typical review for a cutting board, but it does give just one example of just how versatile this product is. Aside from the unconventional application below, this sturdy, easy clean board would be fantastic for a various crafts, and you'll probably get more of these in assorted sizes just for the craft room. We needed something flexible, yet sturdy, waterproof and easy to clean that would fit inside the back edge of our large litter box as an extended backsplash. This jumbo flexible cutting board was perfect for the task and was far more economical than the rotary cutting boards we've used in the past. This board works so well as a shield to keep our boy kitty's accidental oversprays inside the large litter box that we bought 2 more cutting boards to use as a 3-sided shield for the other litter box. So far they don't seem to absorb odors or etch like the rotary cutting boards did, which is another huge plus. So, if you're a crafter or have kids or cats, there are plenty of other unique uses for the Norpro Jumbo Flexible Cutting Board.